Create your own or moving wallpaper, both on home screen or in lock screen. Create with any your wallpapers. Start setup. Prepare your wallpapers. One background image, one subject image in front. Separate the subject image from the background. You can separate the subject background inside the album app, or you can use online alternative. Upload the subject photo and select Remove Background. Download to phone. So there is a photo of the subject with the background separated. Open Galaxy Store. Install Good Lock app and open. Select Wonderland module. Create your own moving wallpaper. Create new. Gallery. First, select Background Wallpaper. Select Foreground Subject. Zoom in on the subject to fit the image. Image settings. Enable toggle. Preview. Add more effect. You can delete effect. Tap Download and save. Set as wallpaper. Change another wallpaper. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.